当地时间3月11号，乌克兰西部城市利沃夫2次响起防空警报，而在此前，利沃夫形势相对比较平静。我们来看总台记者从前方发回的报道。
We're now in the city of Lviv in western Ukraine, and now the area of siren is sounding here in the city. This is actually the second time we have heard the siren. At around 5 a.m. today, the first round of sirens came in. Over the past 2 weeks, the city of Lviv has been relatively stable. There's no crossfire being recorded here. But just overnight, some of the cities in the neighboring areas have reported crossfires and bombardment. As you can see, people from the neighborhood are now going into this building to stay safe inside the bomb shelters. We're now following their steps into the bomb shelter to stay safe. And now this is the basement we're now entering. This is the bomb shelter. Just a moment ago, as you can see, people are sitting here to stay safe.
当天上午，乌克兰西部城市伊万诺弗兰科夫斯克和卢茨克两市的机场遭到袭击，两地位于利沃夫的南北两侧。在今年2月，乌克兰局势日趋紧张时，有部分国家选择将其使领馆机构迁至利沃夫。